Spain is intensifying efforts to become a core player in Europe's most advanced armored warfare project, the Main Ground Combat System, MGCS, marking a pivotal move in reshaping its defense strategy for 2040 and beyond. At the Paris Air Show, Spanish Secretary of State for Defense Amparo Valcarce revealed that Spain is already contributing to the MGCS program in several technical areas, even though it has not formally signed on as a full member yet. This builds on public commitments made during the 2024 Eurosatory exhibition and reflects Madrid's intent to secure a firm position within the continent's defense future. The MGCS program isn't just a next-generation battle tank, it's a complete overhaul of how European ground forces will operate, incorporating autonomous vehicles, AI-based decision systems, and modular digital components that span the air, land, and cyber domains. Spain sees its participation as essential for replacing its aging Leopard 2E tanks by 2040, ensuring access to breakthrough military technology, and cementing its relevance within NATO and the EU's defense frameworks. The project is led by KNDS, a joint venture between Germany's Krauss-Maffei Wegmann and France's Nexter, along with support from Rheinmetall and Thales. MGCS aims to retire both the German Leopard 2 and French Leclerc tanks, replacing them with a highly digital, interoperable system of systems that includes manned platforms, unmanned support units, and cutting-edge weaponry such as new 130mm and 140mm cannons. Spain is currently involved in developing some of the supporting technologies, which could facilitate its deeper integration into the program in the near future. Spain's armored warfare doctrine has long followed a pattern of European alignment. Its past joint projects, like the AMX-30E with France and the domestically upgraded Leopard 2E from Germany, demonstrate a track record of adapting foreign platforms to national needs. The Leopard 2E, though still a formidable platform, is becoming outdated in a battlefield increasingly dominated by AI, sensors, and long-range precision strikes. Hence, Madrid is determined not to be left behind in the next generational shift. To that end, the Spanish government included the Superior Land Combat System within its 2025 Technological and Industrial Plan for Security and Defense, allocating €5 million as a first step. While the initial sum is modest, the intent is clear: build up Spain's defense industrial base to meet MGCS requirements and contribute meaningfully to the Pan-European initiative. This plan sits alongside Spain's active roles in other future-oriented defense programs like the Future Combat Air System, FCAS, and the European Corvette Naval Platform. What was initially a Franco-German effort is now attracting broader European interest. Italy has entered the scene as an official observer and is bolstering its industry through the procurement of Leopard 2A8 tanks, which could smooth its transition into MGCS participation. Sweden, the UK, and Belgium are also circling the project, monitoring developments and exploring avenues for involvement. The expansion of the program across Europe highlights the strategic importance of MGCS not only as a military solution but as an industrial and geopolitical anchor for continental defense collaboration. Spain's ambitions in MGCS also dovetail with its broader digital defense transformation. Over €1 billion has been earmarked to upgrade secure networks, bolster cyber resilience, and support operations in the information warfare domain, critical enablers for the AI-powered, data-centric environment MGCS envisions. Spain's push toward these technologies positions it as a future-ready partner capable of contributing to Europe's operational autonomy and collective defense innovation. By accelerating its integration into the MGCS program, Spain isn't just upgrading its armored forces, it's embedding itself in the very architecture of Europe's next era of military power.